Panorama. Intangibles can now be made tangible and actionable. Welcome to the Panorama Assessment Tool, PAT Guide. Let's walk you through on how to add an additional user from your company. Navigate to Users from the sidebar menu on the left. Now, click on Add User button. An input field will appear. Type your additional user's name on the Name input field, and type their email on the Email input field. Please recheck their information, and click on the Send button. The additional user will be added to your company. You can also request for deactivation for the additional user using the Deactivate button. It will usually take around 2 to 3 working days for the deactivation request to fulfill. To log out, simply click on Log Out button from the navigation bar. A pop-up will appear. Now proceed to log out, and you will be logged out from Panorama Assessment Tool. Thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, contact us at info@panoramamas.com.